Hello, my name is Shaquille Prosla, and this is a reflection of my experience in INF 303D. Something about me. My name is Shaquille Prosla, like I said. I am 20 years old, and I'm a sophomore at the University of Texas. I am pursuing a degree in finance, along with a minor in accounting. Goals. Some goals for INF 303D. I would like to get an A in INF 303D and learn about digital resources and services that will benefit me in the future. I would also like to learn about the resources provided by the University of Texas. A topic I covered at the University of Texas is about the UT libraries and their resources. I have learned that there are 9 libraries at the University of Texas. I also learned how to use the library databases to research and find reliable information for every project. 2 things I would like to learn are the workshops provided by the library, such as writing centers, and all the upcoming library events and clubs, such as book clubs. Another topic I covered was the basic website design and usability. I learned how to make different titles and embedded Google Slides, Docs, and other projects into my website. I would like to learn how to add different types of animations and incorporate different colors to my website that I will be creating later. Some valuable skills I learned in INF 303D was being able to research and find reliable sources. I also learned how to use school resources like the databases and library. I was also able to learn how to collaborate with other groups and discuss topics with my peers. One topic I feel should have been covered in this course a bit more would be Google Sites service. With the internet being such a big part of our daily lives, I believe that proper uses and services would be taught to everyone. Out of all the services we use, I personally think that Google Sites should be taught a bit more. Thank you.